My name is MC, and today I wanted to share with you how to groom your eyebrow, like eyebrow 101. Okay, so my brows are full and I wanted to show you how I groom my eyebrow the easy peasy way. So today I'm going to be using the Twinkle. This is eyebrow razor. This is a lot easier than the regular razor blade. This is the one the pro makeup artists use. I probably will do another video showing you how to use it. If you want it, let me know in the comment section. But today's class eyebrow razor, the Twinkle eyebrow razor. Okay, so first thing first, you get a brow comb, like a spoolie or anything that you can use to brush the brows. You brush it into place, get a wipe, and then just take off if you have any excess or residue on the brow. So I have nothing there, just clean. I'm going to use my eyebrow mascara wand or eyebrow spoolie and then just comb it upwards and downwards, just in the direction the eyebrow is going. So just put it. Can you see? Okay. The same thing to the other one. Okay. Okay. So the coconut oil is actually for ease of taking or tugging. So when I'm taking out the coconut oil, just because when I want to use the eye razor so that it won't cut me, I'll be able to get a smooth moisturized skin to work with. So I'll take it out and then I'll use the first thing I will do is mapping. The mapping is just to help us know where we need to take off and where we need to stay. So I'm just using a pencil. And then I go. So I start from the bridge of my nose, just put it like that. And then wherever it lands is where we start from. Something like this. Okay. So that's it. So it means that, if I have any hair after, whatever hair I have here has to go, you understand? So I come. So that's the highest point, that's the arc. And then I connect here and here where my eye ends. So wherever it lands, that's where the eyebrow will end. Can you see? So I have this. Can you see? So I have 3 marking here, here, here. So let's go. So that's just it. So it means if I have hair here, I'll take it out, and then this is my highest point. So we start from the under. Can you see? Can you see? So taking off the hair. So you have to do it carefully. Do it at once, you take off a lot of hair. So you have to go easy. If you do it at once, take it off the hair. So gradually. And then you turn the skin so it can. Okay. So cool down. Can you see this excess? This excess is this one. Let's go in downward stroke. So I take off the excess hair here and then I just go in downward stroke. Can you see? So that's it. So I brush. So I go up and then I go. So I can hold this. And I just bring it out. Now I just follow the shape of the hair that I've drawn, that's all. So this. Then I go in this direction to take it away. What? So the excess long one, like the ones we have over here, I'll just take it out. So this is the arc, so from here it begins to slant. Can you see? Then I come it up again. And then easy. Take a time. So you brush it now. Okay, and then I fill in the top. So once I get to the arc, I stop and then it comes down. So that's it guys, that's a quick and easy way to groom your eyebrows. I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, let me know in the comment section below.